Welcome to New Car Updates, the place where innovation meets luxury and power on wheels. Today we are diving deep into one of the most jaw-dropping creations of modern engineering, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome truck. This is not just a truck, it is a million-dollar masterpiece that redefines what comfort, style and technology on the road should feel like. If you have ever imagined living in a rolling mansion with all the features of a five-star resort combined with the commanding presence of a legendary American truck, then this is the dream machine you have been waiting for. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is built for those who refuse to compromise between power and luxury. Starting from the outside, the sleek aerodynamic body of the T2000 has been reimagined with bold new lines, LED signature lighting and an aggressive stance that immediately commands attention on highways and at campgrounds alike. The million-dollar price tag is not just for show. Every curve, every chrome detail and every inch of its massive body screams craftsmanship and exclusivity. This is not your average RV, this is a rolling work of art designed to turn heads everywhere it goes. But step inside and the real magic begins. The interior of the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome truck is more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Imagine entering through a motorized door that leads you into a spacious cabin designed with premium materials, from Italian leather seats to handcrafted wooden cabinets and marble-style countertops. The interior has been designed to offer both elegance and comfort for long journeys. The living area is expansive, featuring a plush sofa setup with smart reclining functions, mood lighting and even a built-in entertainment system with a massive OLED screen paired with a surround sound system, so that whether you are watching movies, gaming or relaxing, you feel completely immersed in luxury. The kitchen is another highlight of this rolling mansion. It comes equipped with full-sized appliances including a refrigerator, induction cooktop oven and even a dishwasher, something rarely seen in motorhomes. The countertops offer plenty of space for meal preparation, while smart storage ensures everything has a place to keep the kitchen neat and functional for both short trips and long-term living. With a built-in smart assistant, voice commands can control lighting, temperature, appliances and even suggest recipes based on what is stocked in the fridge. Moving toward the bedroom, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome continues to impress. The master suite is designed to provide the kind of comfort you would expect from a five-star hotel room. The king-sized bed with memory foam and adjustable settings ensures restful nights, while panoramic windows offer stunning views of nature or city skylines depending on where your journey takes you. There is even a motorized blackout system for privacy and uninterrupted sleep. The bedroom also features a spacious wardrobe, ambient lighting and a hidden vanity station for added convenience. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a full-sized walk-in shower with rainfall and body jet options, a modern sink area with backlit mirrors and even a heated floor system for cold mornings. This level of comfort is unheard of in most RVs, but in a million-dollar Kenworth it is expected. Every detail has been carefully crafted to make sure the experience rivals the best hotels in the world. Of course, none of this would matter without the powerhouse behind the wheel, and the Kenworth T2000 does not disappoint. Powered by a next-generation diesel-electric hybrid engine, it offers both immense torque for hauling and efficiency for long-distance travel. Advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, 360-degree cameras and automatic parking make driving this massive machine surprisingly easy and stress-free for long hauls. The air suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while noise insulation technology keeps the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Technology plays a major role in the T2000 Motorhome with a fully digital cockpit that includes dual touchscreen displays, augmented reality navigation and real-time diagnostics. The truck is also fully connected, offering 5G internet, satellite communication and smart home integration so that you can control everything from your mobile device. Whether you are inside the truck or exploring the outdoors, the energy system has been upgraded to support off-grid living with solar panels, high-capacity lithium-ion batteries and an auxiliary generator, making it possible to live in remote areas without sacrificing modern conveniences. What truly makes this motorhome special is how it brings together the ruggedness of a legendary Kenworth with the extravagance of a high-end motorhome. It is a machine that can tow heavy loads, travel across long distances and at the same time provide its owners with unmatched luxury. It appeals to adventure seekers, families, full-time travelers and even business executives who want a mobile office with world-class amenities. Imagine hosting meetings inside this motorhome while parked next to a mountain lake, or waking up to the sound of the ocean waves with all the luxury you need right at your fingertips. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is not just about transportation, it is about lifestyle freedom and the future of luxury travel. Priced at $1 million, it is targeted toward those who want the absolute best and are not afraid to invest in it. It shows us that the future of motorhomes is not only about being practical but also about creating unforgettable experiences combining cutting-edge technology, sustainable power and unmatched design. This motorhome sets a new benchmark for what is possible on wheels. So if you are ready to explore a world where luxury and power merge seamlessly, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is your ultimate destination. This is New Car Updates, and here we bring you the latest and greatest machines that are changing the future of travel and living on the road. Stay tuned because this is only the beginning and the world of automotive luxury is evolving faster than ever before.